Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to email customer support on Ziprecruiter. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account. You can even do that using a job seeker account, but I choose to use the employer accounts for the sake of this tutorial. Now, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that you know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to email customer support on Ziprecruiter. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find post a job, dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. So move your cursor down to help, and here you have this help center, live chat, email us, and call support. So if you want to email, go ahead and click on this email us option, and it's going to take you to this window. Says questions here to help. So here, choose an employer help topic or browse employer help center. Then says can't find what you're looking for. Scroll the way down. You send us a message below or call this number or start live chat. So you can now send the message, right? Select your reason. Click on this to select the reason that says you need customer support. Then over here where you have this enter a comment or question, go ahead and enter your comment or your session. And in this box, you're gonna have to check it to I'm not a robot or you're a robot, and go ahead and click on send message, the send message button. So once you click on the send message button, Ziprecruiter is definitely going to find your message, your complaint, your comment, your question right there in your email, and they're going to respond to you via email. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can email customer support on Ziprecruiter in case you have any concerns. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. As you can see, it's pretty much easy. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.